Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the sensor review test on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. And during this time I'll try to discuss about the proximity sensor, light sensor, gyroscope sensor and the accelerometer sensor as well. These are the things which I'll try to show you and demonstrate right now. And one quick note, only few phones will be able to have this kind of physical proximity sensor. The main reason is because few phones they stopped using the physical proximity sensor. Yes. So let's see whether this phone has got any kind of physical proximity sensor on the top or not. That is our most important thing. That's kind of really basic thing which any phone should have. That's what I would definitely feel. So this is an application which I'm trying to use, which is a sensor test. So in the sensor test, there are different testing methods you can actually perform. As you can see, let's start with the first test, which is a accelerometer sensor. So using the accelerometer sensor, you can clearly see the object is moving back and forth clearly whenever I shake the device. As you can see, whenever I change the direction, it's changing exactly as it is. No issues. So accelerometer sensor is working perfectly fine, and the light sensor is also working perfectly fine. You can see right now my lighting condition, how it is in my room. Let me try to turn on the flashlight and see what happens. So I did turn on the flashlight of the phone and you can see the meter is increasing up to 15,000 and 14,000 looks. As you can see exactly, intensity, it's increasing. And so far the light sensor is also working perfectly fine without any kind of issues. And there's an option, I think somewhere it should be here, I think so. You can actually cover the light sensor somewhere in this part, the light sensor will be there. Next thing is about the proximity sensor. This is where the important question. So as you can see, there's a light is blinking. This is called the proximity sensor. So overall, yes, there is a physical proximity sensor, so you should not be worried at all. So it's perfectly working without any problem. So that's good thing. I hope they should not remove this kind of proximity sensor in the future. So this is a really important thing and basic thing. And next is about the magnetic meter sensor. So this magnetic meter sensor perform whenever you bring any kind of magnetic objects nearby the phone. This is a small weighing machine which has got some magnets, I think, inside. That's the reason I'm trying to use. You can see how the graph is increasing. So now it should decrease. The graph is decreasing. Now again increasing a little bit. So overall friends, the magnetic meter sensor also working perfectly fine. And the compass sensor, let's see. Compass. Thing is also working perfectly fine. I'm trying to change the direction of the phone just to see how is the east and west direction, will they change or not. As you can see, it's kind of perfect, nothing much major complaints as well, as you can clearly see. Means compass sensor. And next is a gyroscope sensor, should be also fine completely. You can see the graph how it's varying here. So all friends, all the sensors are completely working fine perfectly in the Realme GT Neo 2 device, so you should not be worried at all. So my most concern was about the physical proximity sensor, is it present or not, but finally it's there in this device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.